Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from a Draftkings to a Venmo. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Draftkings app and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down, tap on withdraw, guys. And then what's going to happen on this page, you want to enter the amount you want to withdraw right here, for example, 15, and select Venmo. And then here you want to click on request withdrawal. So like Venmo, click on request withdrawal. If that's your correct address, click on yes, you want to withdraw funds, and you should see your withdrawal status right here. Okay, that easy and simple to do this on the app. If you're on the desktop or laptop, same process. Go click on your profile icon right here. So this will bring a drop down menu. Click on account information right here. Click on that. Click on withdrawal. All right, so once you click on the withdrawal, guys, you have to enter the amount, of course, that you want to withdraw. Enter the amount, for example, $15. Click on continue, and then you want to choose the payment method you'd like to receive your funds. For example, click on Venmo. Check if your address is correct for Venmo. Click on withdraw funds, and if everything is correct, click on yes, withdraw funds. That is the confirmation. And an important thing to note, guys, is that you can only withdraw to your personal Venmo account that actually matches your associate Draftkings account information, okay? That needs to have an existing balance on a file. And also, you should have done an initial deposit to Draftkings from your personal Venmo account before you can actually withdraw to this account, okay? And you need to note the duration. So these Venmo withdrawals can take up to 2 days. So you have to be a little bit patient, and the funds are actually sent to your Venmo balance, not to the associated bank account with that Venmo. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.